Okay, so nandito po kami ngayon sa Udmeta at katatapos na namin magpunta sa simbahan to pray and to thank God sa sa blessing na ako po ay na-acquit from the case na ginawa ng aking walang yang amo. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo kapag ikay nagsisinungaling, alam mo kung baga by chance na alam mo matatalo ka. Kaya yun. So ito ngayon, kami po ngayon ay pupunta sa Bourdieu Man. Matapos po kami kumain sa yung may nagtitinda sa gilid. Kumain kami ng lumpia, isaw at kung ano-ano pa. Ngayon kakain naman kami sa Popeyes kasi gusto kong magkape. At gusto rin ni Frederick magkape. Kaya go! At ayun, isa din blessing sa akin yung nagkaroon kami ng event sa Sheikh Zayed Airport na nagbigay kami ng service ng arts and craft, face painting, at meron kami 3 arts and craft na ginawa doon. At ayun nga, yung pinaka-coordinator namin, super happy. Kaya masaya din kasi nga 15 na tao ang nabigyan ko ng trabaho dahil dito sa event na to. Although na hindi ako nakapasok dahil nga sa ginawa nung amo ko sa akin, nagkaroon ako ng problema sa akin. Pero tuloy pa rin ang buhay. At ito yung dalawa kong napakagwapong assistant na lagi sila magkaaway. Ano yan parang aso pusa yung dalawang yan Pero pagdating sa pagkain, ayan, super sweet silang dalawa. Pero nakakatuwa naman to si Mati kahit Pakistan yan. Mapapasuot mo ng hindi niya kilala si Batman. Kaya sabi ko si Batman to. Ito yung susutin mo ng costume. At ayun nga, natonga siya kasi nga hindi niya kilala si Batman. Pero very helpful naman siya sa akin. Kaya ayun. With the matching sayo-sayo pa, Batman sumasayaw. And very grateful din ako kay God kasi nga although na kung ano-ano mga kasamaang ginawa sa akin ng amo ko, ayun nga, yung blessings ni God tuloy-tuloy pa rin. At yung mga expected mo na hindi ka nababalikan dahil sa ginawa nung walang hiyang yun sa akin. Pero ayun nga, tinawagan pa ako at sinabi, pwede ka bang mag-perform sa amin? At wala kaming pakialam doon sa ginawa sa'yo ng amo. Kaya, I'm very thankful with God. Okay, so hello and good morning. We're here at Teriyaki Boy with Suhil. And Suhil says, do they have juice? he says, this is cafeteria. Do they have chai? Okay, so here... Huh? What? What katsara?
No, this is not.
This is not. So we are here now. I told them, Soil, I want in the morning American breakfast because Pakistani food is dinner only. That's for dinner. Only American breakfast. Okay? Okay, so we're here now in Teriyaki Boy. And Sohail is just eating the American breakfast. What can you say?
Nice. Well done.
I like it kagad. Okay. Ito yung sa akin na dahil ayaw na itong sausage na to, kaya binigay niya sa akin lahat. Tapos ito yung kanilang corn beef talaga. Beef talaga. Ito yung sa kanya. Beef, egg, and then bread.
What is this, sister?
Beef. Okay, hello. So, we're here now at Shay Mughal and we are going to try to eat here. We're going to order and
This is Mati and Suil. Too much walking. Mati is complaining too much walking today. Okay, let me try this microphone.
Palimo. Dahil wala na si Janessa, si Jasmine naman ngayon lang laging may foods. Nako, Janessa, ano ba yan? Pag-iiwanan ka na. Magkakain kami ng inasal. Sayang kung ano doon kanina, may bulalo, iniwan. Kaya yun, Jane, bumalik ka na dito. Let's eat na. And Rooney, let's eat na. Ayun. Okay ho, this is Rubil, too much drama.
Too much market.
What?
This one.
See, this one too much
one,
rich.
too much market.
Too much buying, oh, see? Too much
Too
rich.
much drama.
Ah, so, ayun nga, nakakabullshit.
Yeah.
See?
Drama.
See, drama. See, you're black.
Belak. Face. Belak.
Okay. And another blessing from God ay itong napakakulit na pusa na to. Ayan, oh. Pag gabi, kakalabit-kalabit siya. Kasi gusto niya matulog sa higaan ko. Ayan, oh. Sisirain niya yung kortina ko talaga para lang makapasok siya.
Look at this fucking cat. He's a freeloading piece of crap. Just wants to lay around and get fed. It's shit and piss in my fucking bed.
That you will turn into Queen Elsa. You want to be Queen Elsa of the day? Okay, so all in. Now try to close the lid because it will pop because of the pressure. Pop.
Okay, so hello and good afternoon. Today is a Sunday chill with Mati and Ate Gliz. Today, after the party, pinakain kami ng may buffet. Saan ba tayo?
What is that?
Dubai Sailing Club.
Dubai Sailing Club. Pang mayaman din. As you can see. Pang mayaman siya. At mayaman ang parents. And Mati is rich. See? He is now Don. Arbab or call him Shah Rukh Khan. Okay? So let's eat. Bye-bye. Okay, so hello and good evening. Today I'm here with Irfan. Today we are going to Alsif, going to ride on a Do Cruise.
The cruise?
Yeah, Do Cruise. Yes. So we're going to check which one is the best price for those who are first time going here in Dubai.
We're gonna check the affordability
Yes.
of every cruise which we are gonna check on. If we find anything good, right, we're gonna suggest you guys
Yes.
and drop in the message, comment, everything. If you have any suggestion to us,
Yes.
surely drop us
And
all the information.
okay.
Uh,
And we are going to tell you if the food is good.
good.
Yes.
I love food, man.
Okay.
I love
So If I'm going to test because as for me, I don't like really spicy food.
Yeah, that's
I just wanted to know the taste.
I'm opposite of him.
Yeah.
Opposite of him because I love spicy
Yeah.
food and I'm good at like tasting the food.
Yeah.
I'm good at what the spiciness.
Okay.
I like the recipes.
Very good. So we're here now with Elsip. This is the oldest.
Yeah, can you just show
Yeah.
our subscribers?
Wait, I'll show it to them. So this is the oldest city here in
the area you can say
area. I don't know. So this is the oldest area here in the Dubai. As you can see,
And this is one
the
of the
buildings.
famous area because it holds lot of love and lot of views you can
Yeah.
say, and it actually describe how the Dubai was,
Yeah.
recently back 15
Yeah.
20 years back.
Yeah.
It describes how the Dubai people lives here.
Okay, so as you can see, the houses are very old, and back then there is no AC, no air condition. So their house has this big like a tower that they call gondola, where the wind is being
Brother,
stopped.
can you just imagine,
Yes, I'm going to show it to them. Oh, we're going to ride there, or
We are gonna go there and then just check whether what's the price over there.
Portons here in the old area. Okay, so we're here now inside Al Sif, and you will see how things are so modern but still stuck on the old.
The old nature.
Yeah.
You can say how the traditional was before, and it's a beautiful place because this is not only the tradition they follow. This is how the Dubai was before. This is how the Dubai people lived before, and current Dubai, it's different. It's different. It's
Yeah.
totally different. You guys only know the current state of Dubai, but you don't know how Dubai was before.
Yeah, so-
Let's show our audience how Dubai was.
They have
before.
show over there.
Yeah. Let's see.
Let's watch the show. So 2026, nandito po tayo sa Do Cruise. Ayun. We're here at the Do Cruise for relaxation. Relaxing. So what can you say?
Hello. Beautiful place. Everyone gonna enjoy here. Please come over here, enjoy.
So we're here now and still the best place. Ayan o, as you can see, it's Al Ras over there. Al Sif is over there. And then later we'll be moving to Al Ras. Very nice place. Nandito si Joss with no reason at all.
Your hands in front. And everybody sit down. That is burger. Okay, now can you show me French fries? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Put your hands on your knees. This
Okay, so nandito kami ngayon sa airport ni Francis. At pauwi po ngayon si Kat this day. And airport. Ayun, so this episode of my YouTube channel is tribute ko kay Ate Tess na forever will be in my heart. And hindi ko talaga I will never think na nawala siya. Niisip ko lang talaga na siguro nag-travel siya.
Bakasyon lang or somewhere may pinuntahan.
And always.
And din naman ang gusto niya madalas travel with family. Of course.
Always.
Siguro nga is parang solo flight, mga ganun.
Kaya yun. So, gusto ko palang mag-thank you din sa kanya sa lahat din ng mga tulong niya, lalo na kay nanay na minsan pag siya, at saka siya talaga yung kumbaga light bulb sa any talaga. Kunwari, malungkot, bigla siya darating, tapos siya mag-enlighten ng paligid. So, dahil sa personality niya, meron na naman tayong star sa langit na magbabrighten up ng life natin. Kaya yun, gusto ko palang pasalamat din.
Tapos pag minsan pag nag-video call si Mac. Tapos sumisingit kami. Tapos makikita mo, alam mo yun, hindi siya mag-aanain natin na kung sino yan, kung sino yung mga kaibigan ni Mac. Go lang siya na, oy, kamusta kayo dyan? Alam mo, parang ramdam mo yung parang di mo man siya nanay, di mo man siya nakasama ng matagal. Pero alam mo yung there is someone na magsabi sa inyo na kamusta na kayo. Ano ginagawa nyo dyan, magpakabait kayo, lalo na kay Ma'am. Sa mga lahat ng mga friends namin na sa tropang China.
Ayun. Kaya yun, itong last na part ng video na to ay tribute ko sa kanya. And she will always be the happiest person I've ever met. Kaya ayokong mabura yun. Para sa akin, siya pa rin ang pinaka-happiest na Ate Tess na kilala ko. Kaya, enjoy. Bye!
You never make us feel like we're losers. And even when you're feeling tired, why always put us first? Because your love is all I need. It is the strength that keeps us burning in this world that we live in. I need you now. So don't you worry now, close your eyes and don't you cry no more. Lay it all on me, I'm lifting the burden of a few. I've done so much more than I can take you for. So I take of you, take it from here. La ta da ta da, la ta da ta da, la ta da ta da ta da.